Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And with the STX Appearance Package, you get some unique accents, rims, and black interior cloth. You also have the FX4 Off-Road Package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for three with the black sport cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. It does have vinyl flooring that's easier to keep clean, and in the middle you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, driver assistance features and settings, Eco Coach or fuel economy and then Eco Coach, and your comm screen. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shutoff. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use, does have AC. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode as part of the FX4 package. On the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Then moving on to the right here, you have a 12-volt as well as USB and USB-C, and then you have a bin with another USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then back to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, large bin, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, and I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.